number 30. Hurricane here's in Texas. And this says right here in 1900, I'm not going to say the rest because you'll find out. Okay. So, they went back, more kids sent to Texas, right? And they went to this place called Galveston. And then Galveston flooded. It was about to flood. And then they told everyone, hey, you're going to be underwater soon. And they'll be like, oh, we've had storms before. It's not going to be that bad. But it was. And then Rose saved them. And they led her into this comfy house. So, and her daughter was named Lily. But they were missing someone. Lucas. Lucas was the daddy and the husband. They had to go to Ursuline Academy where the nuns go. So after they went, the other ones got them all cozy too. And that's where they found Lucas. Okay, so when the town was okay, but nothing was there. Everything was destroyed, even the magic tree house. They just sat, so their idea was to just sit on the floor, open the Pennsylvania book, and go home. And when they got home, the magic tree house was fixed. And their Texas book was fixed. So, yeah, it was an awesome story. Oh, and I'm going to give this book probably about 8 jelly beans. So, yeah, it was an awesome story. So, bye-bye for story time. Bye-bye for story time. Bye-bye.